Hello and welcome to the Sacred Gates Ascension podcast. My name is Ilura. Now, one of the elements that is really wonderful to work with and is really around us all the time that we may not notice is the air element. The air element can easily be felt, yet if our mind is too pushy, too forceful, which the mind often is like, we will not be able to connect to the air element and meet it as it is and really get to know it. Because air is so light and so high in vibration and so vast and expansive, if we apply a mind that is tight and hard and forceful, that has become tight and hard through forcing, through pressuring it, through trying to kind of make our mind figure it out, the air element will not be revealed to us. The element of air, we won't be able to connect with it. So this is just a little experience that you can come and train with me now as we connect to air element. So find a nice comfortable position to sit in. Make your body soft, relaxed and open. And right now, where I am, it's quite hot, so I can feel, because I have the skin, my skin on my arms is bare, I can very easily feel the air on my skin. So if you are wearing a long-sleeved top, just see if you can feel the air on your face somewhere, like maybe your neck or your face, your ears, something like that. So sitting comfortably. And just sit for a moment. I like to sit with my hands up. It's like I'm a radar or a satellite dish, which I am, you are too. And let's just become receptive to the air that we can literally just feel, not only in our breath, passing through our nostrils or our mouth, but the air that we can feel touching our skin. So entering into this meditation with me, with an attitude of curiosity, of interest and respect, and of reverence to air. For when we just march on brute force through the temple, just say if you go and visit a sacred space, the beings, the inhabitants of that temple will not reveal themselves to you. And it's the same with all the elements, with any sacred, anything that is sacred. So let's enter into this realm of air with this reverence, with the respect, with the gratitude. And just, if you can't have any of those things, sometimes we feel blocked, just go in with curiosity and interest, and that'll naturally open you more upwards to higher connectivity, which is what air does for us. Air helps us connect to the higher vibrations of knowing. So just feeling the air on your skin. Become aware of the room that you are in and soften your eyes and your senses and allow your skin and your awareness to open up its pores to the air element filling the room around you and supporting you right now. If you feel like your mind is forcing its meeting with the air element, you can do a couple of things. Relax your body, not collapse your body. Relax your joints, relax your lower back, let your chin come down slightly. Keep your hands open and feeling. You may close your eyes, or it may help you to open your eyes and just gently look out into the room and feel your whole body in the space of your room, in the air in the room. Breathing in and observing the feeling of air entering into your temple. Draw in the feeling of air. Allow your body, allow your consciousness to feel the expression of air around you. Allow your body to resonate with the frequency of the air element. If this feels a little bit challenging, try just feeling your fingertips and allowing your fingertips to vibrate to the feeling of the air around you. Air is very light. Sometimes the mind is dull and heavy and forceful. This is the second tip, is now to, if you're feeling like you can't connect, simply allow your mind to incline towards the more subtle, higher vibrations that your consciousness, your bare awareness can feel. Keep moving your mind through, falling upwards into the light. Keep following as you relax your body. Keep following the sentience of your being, the light, subtle frequencies that you can feel, the light sensations that you can pick up on. The more you follow the light, the feelings of lightness, the more your mind expands out, and the more air element you're able to saturate in and absorb. Notice your middle dantian is open and light and floating, and this is where the element of air exists within our structure as a human being. So just allow, it's almost like a window, a beautiful clean, clear window to be opening here. And just observe and witness all that is. Allow your mind to keep moving through all gaps, all change and difference, through the mental stream that is simply flowing and changing all the time, moving and inclining towards the soft, subtle, light sensations that you can perceive. Allow the air element to permeate into the joints of your body. Just allow it to come in. Your mind can't force it. Just allow. Allowing all your networks and conduits throughout your limbs to know through feeling the element of air. Allow the air element, the air elementals to cleanse away, lift and clear away all that needs to be cleared. This is achieved by continually moving your mind towards the all that is soft and light. Keep allowing, moving, trusting through that sentience that you can sense in your being, in your awareness. And it is through the mundane, it is through simply being in a room that the air element is revealed to us, that we allow ourselves to unveil all constructs of what we think air is about and allow the sacredness of that element to come into our being, to lift our heart and spirits and raise our perspective like a Google map, you know. Here you are without a map, and air element helps to, like on a phone, joop, 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 and the map just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And beautiful sounds or ideas or form or an answer, solution can often be surfacing and arriving through the air elementals or the air element. So I hope that this little meditation training session with me and with my lineage has been helpful to you in connecting softly to the air element. Thank you for listening and being here with me. Bye-bye for now.